me. Tell me that love for the hospital, so you go to jail. Touch me blood clot. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, babe, so you don't know what time it is. You know, say, a little thing I go on in a Ras. See? So a little thing I go on in a Ras. And if you know anything about Ras, if you know nothing about Ras, or one thing about Ras store, you have some store in America where Jamaican always in a them store. There 20 people in there, 8, 9 of them are Jamaican. So I'm going to show you something where they go on in a Ras right now. Watch what I go on. See? Yeah. Yes, I'm in here now. So I'm there in a Ras right now. See? I'm hold on for my trolley here now. So I'm saying hold on for my trolley. I'm going to hold a vice, but a little thing I go on in the cashier area where is what I say? Yeah. A little push and sugar go on the line with the Jamaican. You know, pay bad word. Some of them colorful word there, you see me? So, watch what I go on here now.
You shut the fuck up. Touch me. Tell me that love for the hospital, so you go to jail. Touch me blood clot. Shut the fuck up. You shut the fuck up. Come in and skip none on it, no what one, no just coming at the store. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Y'all need another register up here, because that don't make no sense. You can't have you want to transaction.
I had to wait in line just like everybody else. You know what the fuck y'all talk about?
He's not everybody else up here.
Please just bring up the sweater. I want to go. No, bring up my sweater. Bring up my sweater. I was here before her. You see how much stuff you have instead of one thing? Just bring up my sweater. Bring up my sweater.
So they can get out of here.
She don't think bitch run over and one and I come and run off her blood clot. Or she don't want to go fucking jail. That blood clot got jail, don't it, girl? This dirty bitch. This dirty bitch. Me feel sorry for you because you start yelling at me, so I start yelling back at you. Shut the fuck up. Shut up, oh God bless me. God bless me, no, I'm always blessed. I'm a blessed blood clot, girl. Yes, me is a best blood clot, girl. I mean know the word. I mean come from. Jamaica I come from. So I can't tell you how it go. Shut the fuck up. You come and yell at me now. You tell me God bless me. Sorry for me. Bye. If that make you feel better, you can keep saying it, you dumbass.
I just feel sorry because she can keep going. I feel sorry.